Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to permanently remove WhatsApp blocked contacts on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. Tap the setting icon. Now go to Chats. Then open Block List. Now you can find out the contact from here, or from your call list on WhatsApp that you want to remove permanently. Now open the Contact app on your iPhone. Now find out the same contact. Once you find out, scroll down, tap Block this caller. Now tap Delete Contact. Now you have permanently removed blocked contact from WhatsApp on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.